Yo, what's goody? It's your boy Conrad. As a lot of you guys know, I am super unorganized. Some of you guys that know me personally know that I'm a messy guy and I lose a lot of my things. So today we're not going to be working on the car. Kinda, we're going to be cleaning the cars, both the Golf and the Supra. What I'm mainly going to focus on today is reorganizing because I am horrible at organizing. I went to OBI. For some of you guys that don't know that are in the States, it's kind of like Home Depot here in Germany. I went and picked up a bunch of organizing things because my stuff, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so like I have things just everywhere, just stacked on. Like I tried to make this little organizer thing, but it didn't really work out. Just everywhere. The garage is even worse. So today what we're going to go ahead and do is I'll show you guys what I bought, and then we'll try to organize these things. Because working on your car and not being able to find things is kind of hard. I've had it done before. I've been looking for things and I just can't find them. So let's go. I'll show you guys what I got. Alright, first off, I got this little thing. They're just kind of like quick things you can put your tools on there. I'm probably going to put these up in the garage. We bought this little thing where, as you can see, it's just a bunch of things to organize. We also bought this thing. I don't know if you can see, but you can just put all of your things on here too. It might have been overkill. And we also got this tool box. I have that wooden one, but I can't really haul it around, so I'm gonna use this one real quick. Alright, so this is the first one that we're gonna use. It's this is just a 1/2-inch socket wrench or whatever, and it just clips on there. It's pretty sturdy. It'll hold it real good, and it'll work. So I'll show you guys what we're gonna be doing. So I was thinking, hopefully that's straight, but we're just gonna have it all go along the wall. I'll probably measure it out, make sure it's straight, but all over the wall probably have like 5 or 6, or I think there's 5. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Mírame. Oh bro, that looks kind of slanted, deadass. It's like a little bit like that. Alright, let's test her out real quick. A ver. Das. Ooh. That's not bad. I'll be out here like, engine's coming out. I need something. Das. You know what I'm saying? Just kidding. I'm never taking out an engine. Hopefully. This is why I need this organizing stuff, because I just dropped everything. Let's go. Let's continue this. Alright. Look at that. Todo official and shit. Mírame. Oh, snaps. You know, I don't have that many tools, but it's all official now. You know, I'm a mechanic now. You know what I'm saying? Mírame. I can change your spark plugs now. Alright, so the next one we're gonna go ahead and do is this one. This one's just for it's mostly for all my screwdrivers and stuff, so we'll go ahead and put that in and see how it looks. Alright, so I kinda changed my mind here. I was gonna use these right here, but they like kinda wiggle a lot, and that's gonna annoy the hell out of me. So I think what I'm gonna, that was only like €1 or something like that. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just use this one. This one looks a little cleaner, I guess. It kind of looks a little better. And then this one I can just drop these in here like that. They look a lot nicer, I guess. And then I can put my pliers and stuff as per the picture. So then I'm gonna do that. Hopefully this one is straighter. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty straight. It's pretty straight, if you ask me. I mean, it's as straight as 2020 is ever gonna beat that ass. 2020's booty. Alright, let's put this back in and then let's see how it goes. See how it looks. Hopefully it looks pretty good. Alright, so it's not that bad. It looks good. It looks pretty organized. I got all that stuff right there. It kind of looks kind of junky here, but I mean, it's a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. So I need to fill up like this portion over here, but it's not bad at all. I still got to do that stuff. So the next thing we're doing right here is we have this toolbox thingy I bought at OBI. So look at this thing. It like opens up, and then it like opens up. It's not like the smoothest thing possible, but yeah, it opens up like that. It's got like a lot of room. It almost matches the Golf. Almost. If you could see that. It's too bright, but it almost matches the Golf's color. It looks pretty nice. We're just gonna put all like the ratchets and stuff in there. Looks nice. It was like 26 euros, so like 30 bucks. Overall, not super bad. I definitely was looking for something a little nicer, but for 26 euros, it's not bad, and it carries a lot, so it'll do. Let's go ahead and fill her up. So I 100% understand that this is a flawed system. I don't have any. It's, some can say it is more hectic than it was beforehand because I had all these little foam things, but they were like really badly cut. So I think one of my plans gonna be is to find some foam that I can put on here and just organize all of this. I don't have that many tools. Yeah, so I don't have that many tools, and trying to organize this and everything, it's all getting swished around. But I'm sure I could find something either at OBI or Amazon or whatever to put foam on here, and then it'll be all nice looking, and hopefully it'll replicate one of those nice like boxes or whatever. I also have like my deep socket set, and I was gonna put it in here, but it comes in such a nice little box that I don't really want to take that away. It looks really nice, and it's not broken, so why fix it? So I'm gonna go ahead and just put all this together, and then we'll probably clean the cars or something like that. It's pretty sick. It's not bad. Like, it's kind of organized. It's not bad. I still need to figure out somewhere to put that, but I put a little thing out there. I'm not. This one is crappy and it doesn't really work that well, so I'm not gonna really use it that much. But look at that. So much better. I still need to clean a couple of things here and there, but I mean, it's not bad for the amount of space here I have in the garage. It's not that bad, honestly. Like, it looks good and it's all organized. I'm a very unorganized person. I'd like to lie to you and say I'm not, but I really am not organized at all. So this is definitely gonna help me out in the long run. Hopefully it stays like this, because I'm one of those type of people that start something and then just throws it on the ground. I'll be like wrenching with the 10 mil and just huck it on the ground when I'm done with it. Like, I won't even like fix it or anything like that. Yeah, I won't even put it back where it is. So this is just how I am. My friends can tell you that it's true. But so now that that's all figured out, we're gonna go ahead and clean the cars real quick. Just wash them down, the Golf. I'm gonna try a little bit of a cinematic again, but this time with the Golf. I'm just testing out how to do cinematics. My last one, I got a little bit of critique kind of thing on Reddit. They were saying that I didn't give enough like of a glamour shot or anything like that, so I'm gonna try to do a little better with the Golf and just see how it is. But for now, let's go ahead and clean the Golf and the Supra. Let's go. Yo, actually, like, so I went to the BX and went ahead and bought some of that foam stuff that I was thinking about. So I found some of this it's like padding for like a playground kind of thing. Here, let me show you. Oh my goodness, it's so bright. But it's like this stuff right here. I'm just gonna cut it up and put it in there, and hopefully it'll look nice. Another thing too, I locked myself out of my house and I have no way of getting in. So honestly, dude, I've been thinking about it. You guys think my fat ass can fit through there? Possibly. Let's see if it works. As you might have guessed, my fat ass didn't fit through that little hole. But thankfully, I think I have a spare key somewhere. Oh, can't see, but ooh, I have a spare golf key. Thankfully, the Supra comes once again to save the day. We have a spare golf key, and it's about time to pick up Willow, so we're gonna go home and pick her up, and she's got the keys to the house. I can't get in the house. back, and so what we're gonna go ahead and do now, so I have the toolbox here all ready to go. I made a little bit of a template for this real quick. It's a little big, but it'll be fine because once we cut it, we can just cut it shorter and shorter until it gets perfect. And then we're just gonna cut it out of this stuff, and hopefully it'll set here pretty good, and then we can cut out the tools on this stuff. Let's get right into it. Alright, so after you done cut your stuff up, you're gonna go ahead and put your tools out. We got that fancy follow technology. So you're gonna outline them down, and you're gonna set your tools down to show you exactly how you want them, and then cut them out, and then we'll put them in. It's pretty simple. It's a really cheap and easy way to, you know, get your tools all organized. So let's go ahead and get to that. Dang, as you guys can see, it came out amazing. Like, it came out really good. It looks really professional, and everything is just in its place. Like I said, I don't have that many tools, but it came out pretty good. Everything moves really good, and here, I'll show you guys. As you guys can see, like, it closes, and I mean, it's pretty sick. The only place that like rattles is that, but the rest of it is pretty stable. I mean, that's really what I wanted. I just wanted something simple and that would carry all my tools. There you go, that's pretty good. Well, there you have it. The toolbox looks really good. It took forever, but it's really worth it. If you guys end up doing this you guys yourselves, show me, send me like a DM, show me what it looks like. I know it's probably not the most original thing, but I thought it was really cool. It looks really nice, and it's way cheaper than having to buy all the tools all preset like all the really nice toolboxes have, and that one cost me like I think $30 total. So it looks really good and it fits all my tools. Thank you for watching this video. If you guys like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thank you guys for watching my video again, and you guys have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next one.